Hello everyone, in this video you will learn about the modifier called padding. For example, let's add some padding here and I will explain that soon. Just only parentheses. Now if we refresh this, you can see some padding is added to the frame. This is the frame. You have to make click on this selectable, then you will see the frame. Now the thing is, this will apply a border around this text or maybe other element. Because no parameter is passed to the padding, the default space will be 15 points. Okay, default space to the padding will be 15 points. You can specify a spacing value here. For example, let's say 30. We should see okay, now you can see the frame is large now. And also padding has more sophisticated forms. Let me go ahead and show you. I will remove this 30 inside parentheses and then I can say square brackets and then I will say dot leading and then comma dot trailing. Leading and trailing. Now I will define the padding of leading and trailing, and also I am going to add another one dot padding. First one, the first argument will be inside square brackets dot top and then dot bottom. Now the value will be 20. As we saw, we can give values separately for padding. For leading, trailing 20 points, for top, bottom 20 points. Now we can give a value for only one side. For example, I will say dot padding inside parentheses. For the top we can say 20 and that's, we'll refresh here. Here that's added. Now or more brute force type, we can say inside parentheses dot init. Now again parentheses. Now first one, I'm going to define top value and then here it will automatically suggest what inputs you have to say: top, leading, bottom, trailing. For the top I will say 40, leading let's say 20, bottom will be 10, and then last one trailing I will say 20. Alright, now you can see the padding added for each side that we added here: top, bottom, leading, trailing. Alright, I hope this will explain how to use padding correctly. If this video helps, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.